In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Terabox app on Android. If you want a simple way to keep photos and videos safe in the cloud, Terabox makes it easy. It lets you store files online so you don't run out of space, gives you free cloud storage to get started, can automatically back up your phone, and lets you access your files from any device. You can also share items with a simple link, perfect for sending large videos without compression. It's especially helpful if your phone is running low on space or you're planning to switch devices and want everything backed up. Let's get the app on your phone. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. At the top, tap the search bar and type Terabox. In the results, select Terabox. Cloud storage space to open the app page. On the app page, tap Install. The Play Store will download and install Terabox for you. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a moment. You'll see a progress bar as it completes. If you're concerned about data usage, remember that downloads use your current connection, whether Wi-Fi or mobile data. When the button changes to Open, tap Open to launch the app. When Terabox starts, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. You need a Google account to sign in. If you already use Google on this phone, choose your account when prompted. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account, then return to Terabox to continue. Using your Google account links your cloud storage to you, so your files stay in sync and accessible across devices. Once you're in, you'll see options to upload files, back up your photos automatically, and organize folders. The interface is straightforward, with clear buttons and simple tabs for your content so you can get comfortable quickly. Remember, your files are stored online, so you can access them from another phone or a computer just by signing in. And when you need to share something, generate a link inside the app and send it to friends or coworkers. No need to attach huge files to messages. A quick safety reminder before we wrap up. Only download Terabox from the Google Play Store. This ensures you're getting a secure, up-to-date version of the app, along with automatic updates and timely security fixes. Avoid unofficial APK websites unless it's absolutely necessary, as those can put your device and data at risk. You'll also need your Google account for sign-in, so have that ready. That's it. You've successfully downloaded Terabox on your Android device, and you're ready to start storing, backing up, and sharing your files with confidence. Enjoy the extra space and peace of mind.